Hi, this is Mike from OST Dyno, and today we're going to talk about the OST transmission control module. The primary purpose of this transmission control module is to correct the hanging shift issues on Jeep JKs. Primarily this issue occurs whenever you modify your JK with either larger gears and tires or supercharger, or the problem really is exaggerated when you do both wheels and tires and a supercharger. So what we have here today is we have our shop Jeep. It's basically stock geared with a small lift, 32-inch tires, has a Sprint Tech supercharger on it. We have the smallest pulley you can get. This gives us approximately 14 pounds of boost. We're running this on our E85 kit. If you're interested in the OST Dyno E85 conversion kit, check out our website under our products page, and we'll include the link below this video. This particular Jeep has a small problem when the 3 to 4 shift and the 4 to 5 shift. Basically, the issue is if you're accelerating, like going up a hill, the Jeep simply will not shift into the next gear. When you come to a level spot or you're going downhill, it will shift. Now, on the Jeep beside me here, this one's on 37s, 48 gears. It has a grip supercharger. It's running about 7 pounds of boost. And with this Jeep, it simply will not upshift from 3rd to 4th or 4th to 5th, regardless, unless you are actually going down the hill, drifting, and lifting off the throttle. So if you're having this issue, this should correct your problem. We're going to do a demonstration on it right now. Okay, we're going to demonstrate where the TCM is actually located in your JK. It's directly underneath the steering wheel. There's a plastic panel that you have to remove, a steel bolt or steel panel with 2 bolts in it, and the TCM is clipped in there. Once you have the TCM removed, you simply squeeze these tabs, pull it off. It might be a little more difficult on your TCM. Some are really troublesome to get. Then you take the OST TCM and simply install it and do the reverse process of removing it. Please remember to change your gear ratios. Whenever you install our TCM, it says right on the TCM, you must change your gear ratio with your handheld device, whether it's a Diablo, SCT, ProCal. Set your gears or the transmission will stick in 3rd gear. Okay, we're in the red Jeep with the 37s and 488s, and we're gonna take it for a test drive. Test out the TCM. Okay, we're going to try shifts at approximately 25% throttle. 1st to 2nd, 2nd to 3rd. Going to have to give it a little more throttle here to get into 4th. 4th gear. I don't know if we're going to get enough speed to get into 5th. We'll see. There's 5th gear. So nice shifts. So I'm going to try to stop here again. We've got a slight downhill ahead of us. I'm going to be a little more aggressive on the throttle, and the shifts are going to occur later. This is how we have the TCM programmed. So I'm going to go about half throttle. Shifts to 1st to 2nd, 2nd to 3rd. I've left off the throttle now. There's 4th gear. Might hit 5th. We're in a slight downhill, going about 70. There's 5th gear. Okay, we're going to do an uphill grade, 25% throttle. 1-2 shift. 2-3 shift. I'm going to have to actually give it a little more throttle here. We're approximately 41% throttle. There's the 4-5 shift. Okay folks, that was our test drive with OST transmission control module. If you're interested in these, we have 2 options on our website. We have a mountain version for pulling trailers or driving in the mountains, where we keep the torque converter unlocked in 1st, 2nd, and a part of 3rd gear. And then we have our highway version. The highway version is what we were driving with in the demonstration video you just saw. If you have any questions or you'd like to order one, just go to our website. All the instructions are there for installation and how to purchase them, and we try to ship within 48 hours. Thanks a lot.